we want to solve questions on determinants of square matrix. So if you see this matrix A, you can see that this is 3 by 3 matrix. So it is a square matrix. And I told you that if you want to solve determinants of a square matrix, you write that determinant A is equal to 5, 2, 1, 0, 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. So the next thing is that you have to put sign on them, plus, minus, plus. So determinant of A will be equal to, we are taking the first element, which is 5 plus 5. Yes, 5 there. So you write 5, then multiply by. What you are going to do now is that you are going to cover 5, then where it belongs vertically, you are going to cover it where it belongs horizontally. So we are left with 6, 3, 4, 7. So you are going to find the determinant of 6, 3, 4, 7, and you are going to multiply it by the first element here, which is 5. So that means 5 multiplied by the determinant of 6, 3, 4, 7. So after doing that, you are going to 2, and 2 has minus. It has minus, so you are writing minus 2. So you know we have, this is it, this is 2. So you cover it where it belongs vertically, where it belongs horizontally. So it remains 0, 3, 8, 7. So you are multiplying the determinant by minus 2. So determinant of 0, 3, 8, 7. Then plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So multiply by determinant of, let's write it. We have 5, 2, 1, 0, 6, 3, 8, 4, 7. So this is plus 1, this is minus, this is plus. So you are covering 1 vertically, you are covering it horizontally. So we are left with 0, 6, 8, 4. So you are finding their determinants. So multiply by plus 1. So we have 0, 6, 8, 4. Determinants of A is equal to 5. Then multiply by, I told you if you want to find determinants of 2 by 2, you are multiplying the elements that are in the leading diagonal. And here is the leading diagonal of this 2 by 2, which they are 6 and 7. So you multiply them together. So you have 6 multiplied by 7 minus, you are multiplying the second diagonal, elements in the second diagonal, you are multiplying them together as well. So they are 3 and 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 4. So minus 2. So you are doing the same thing for that one as well. You are finding the determinant. Determinant of 2 by 2 here will be 0 multiplied by 7. 0 multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 8. Then plus 1. Let me write it here. Plus 1. So here, the leading diagonal here are 0 and 4. So multiply them. 0 multiplied by 4. Then minus 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8. So the determinant of A is equal to 5 multiplied by, open brackets, 6 times 7, 42. 42 minus what? 3 times 4, 12. 12. Cover the bracket. Then minus 2. Open bracket for that one as well. 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. Then minus 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. 24. Then plus 1. Open bracket. 0 multiplied by 4, 0. Minus 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48. So come back here. So determinant of A is equal to 5. Open bracket. 42 minus 12. That is what? 30. Minus 2. 0 minus 24 is what? Minus 24. Plus 1. 0 minus 48 is minus 48. So the absolute value of A, that is the determinant of A, would be equal to 5 times 30, 150.
150.
Minus 2 multiplied by minus 28 is plus 48.
Plus 48.
Plus 1 multiplied by minus 48 is what? Minus 48. So here, plus 48 is going to cancel minus 48. So the determinant of this A is equal to 150. So it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. So please go through it. Number 2. Number 2 here says the determinant of, I told you that this is simple for determinant. Determinant of 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 9, 1, 8, 6 is what? So now the first thing is that put plus minus plus. So is equal to, we are taking 3. So you are covering it horizontally, you are covering it vertically. So multiply it by the determinant of the remaining elements. They are 7, 9, 8, 6. So we are finding their determinant. So here we have minus 2. So for this minus 2, 2 is there. You are covering it vertically, you are covering it horizontally. So you are finding the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 4, 9, 1, 6. So plus 5. Plus 5. So multiplied by determinant of, if you cover 5 vertically, cover it horizontally. So we are left with 4, 7, 1, 8. So 4, 7, 1, 8. So the next thing is that you now take this 3, multiply by, you are finding the determinant of this one. So 7 multiplied by 6. 7 multiplied by 6 minus 8 multiplied by 9, or 9 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 8. Then minus 2. So this is 4 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by 6 minus 9 multiplied by 1. 9 multiplied by 1. Then plus 5. Plus 5. This is 4 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8 minus 7 multiplied by 1. 7 multiplied by 1. So come here, you have is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, minus 9 multiplied by 8 is 72, minus 2, then 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, minus 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, plus 5, 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, minus 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So is equal to 3. 42 minus 72 is minus 30. Minus 2 multiplied by 24 minus 9, that is 15. And plus 5. 32 minus 7, that is 25. Is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 30, that is minus 90. Minus 2 multiplied by 15, minus 30. Plus 5 multiplied by 25 is plus 125. So is equal to minus 90 minus 30, that is minus 120. So minus 120 plus 125 is what? That is 5. So what we are saying in essence is that the determinant of 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 9, 1, 8, 6 is equal to 5. So please go through them. You want to find determinant of 3 by 3. You are going to put sign on top of the first row. So you are taking the first element, multiply by the remaining element here, after covering that 5 vertically and horizontally. So you are going to do for minus 2 as well. You are covering it vertically, you are covering it horizontally. So the remaining elements, you find their determinants. Then plus 1, you are covering that one vertically, you are covering it horizontally. So you are going to find the determinant of the remaining elements. So that is how to find determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. So till I see you in the next class. Take you. Bye bye.